fan is still on, the room remains the same, but this is the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone that has got everyone talking. This microphone comes in 4 versions: the mobile lightning version, the mobile USB-C version, the camera version, and the combo version. In this video, I'll be unboxing the combo version of the Lark M2 microphone, showing you every accessory that comes in the box, while I also run a quick review and a sound test of this microphone. So stick around to the end to find out the reason why everyone is talking about this mic and if you should buy it or not. Let's get right to it. In the box, we have this small envelope that contains some emoji stickers and the user manual. We also got the Lightning receiver for the iPhone Lightning models and the Type-C receiver for the Type-C Android phones, iPhone 15 and other compatible Type-C devices. We have the charging case for the microphones. Inside the charging case, we have got 2 microphones and 1 receiver for the digital cameras and PCs. It also comes with this small bag that has 2 windshields, which further enhances your audio when you are in a windy environment. We have got 2 magnetic clips for the microphones. We have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We have a 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS cable for connecting to your camera. We have got 2 lanyards with magnetic attachments for those who would prefer to wear the microphone on the neck. And then the emoji stickers, which can be used to cover the Hollyland logo if you want to. Now let's start with the charging case. This charging case is compact and portable. It has some certifications written underneath, and at the back is where the USB-C port for charging it is located. It has 4 light indicators, and once the case is opened, the lights display to show the battery level. This case houses the camera receiver and the 2 transmitters. It can fully charge the entire set twice, and each charge takes less than 1.5 hours, with a total battery life of approximately 40 hours for the camera version and 30 hours of battery life for the mobile version. Moving on to the microphones. These microphones have a unique design and probably the first of its kind. The size of the microphone and the quality of the sound it produces is what is fascinating and the reason why everyone is talking about it. The button-sized microphone weighs 9 grams and is small enough to securely fasten on your shirt without any form of dragging. As small as this microphone is, Hollyland did not compromise on sound quality. The Lark M2 offers studio-grade 48 kHz, 24-bit hi-fi sound quality, which captures every sound with incredible accuracy. And with the help of the superior high-gain LDS antenna, you can get a stable transmission range of up to 300 meters. To set up this microphone is simple and easy. The Lark M2 comes prepared at the factory. So once the transmitter and the receiver are taken out of the case and have the film removed and placed back inside the charging case, they automatically pair with each other. Just plug the receiver to your phone or the camera with the TRS cable and you are good to go. To use the mic, plug in the receiver and press and hold the yellow power button on the mic for like 3 seconds and it turns on with the blue light indicator showing. To activate the noise cancellation mode, press the power button again and the light changes to green, indicating that you are on the noise cancelling mode. Using the mic on noise cancelling mode helps to eliminate environmental noise while still offering you a clear and crisp sound quality. You can also press the button twice to remotely control your phone to start or end video recording. Only if your phone allows pressing the volume button to take a photo or start and end video recording. Also, with this mic, you can play back your recorded video on your phone without having to unplug the receiver. Another great score point for this mic is its versatile wearing options with cool emoji stickers. You can decide to use the magnetic attachment or use the magnetic clip or use the lanyard by wearing it as a necklace. You can also use any of the emoji stickers to conceal the Hollyland logo if you want to give it another look. The arrow eggs, that is, the receiver for the camera, is versatile too. It has the port where you can plug in the 3.5mm TRS cable and then connect it to your camera. It also has a USB-C port where you can plug in a Type-C to Type-C cable and then connect it to your computer. It has an intuitive knob for quick volume adjustments and you can easily clip this to your camera. It also supports both mono and stereo recording modes and you can smoothly switch between them by pressing the mode switching and pairing button on this receiver. Another good feature about this mic is that it supports the Lark Sound app, which allows access to firmware updates. From this app, you can adjust the volume and switch between medium to high to low volume. You can also adjust the strength of the noise cancellation and switch between weak and strong, as you can see in this demonstration. Moving on to sound test of the Lark M2. Here is the video without any microphone, and as you must have noticed, this room is kind of noisy. There is a fan next to me making noise over there, and also this room is kind of echoey. So right now I'll go ahead to plug in the Lark M2 mic to test the sound. So here right now I just turned on the Lark M2 mic, and this is what it sounds like without the noise cancelling feature turned on. So I will go ahead to turn on the noise cancelling feature. So once you press the power button again, the light changes from blue to green, and that means that the microphone has switched to noise cancelling mode. The fan is still on, the room remains the same, but you must have noticed that the sound has improved greatly from what it was when the noise cancelling feature was not on, and also without the microphone at all. So that's about it with the sound test. Overall, everything about this Hollyland Lark M2 oozes quality. It's an all-in-one microphone and probably the only wireless microphone you would be needing as a content creator. It's indeed a great microphone, and it sure deserves all the hype it's currently getting. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.